It's considered a pioneer in its category, a cutting-edge product found in America's most prestigious properties, including 432 Park Avenue. Not limited to our biggest skyscrapers, it's also an integral part of interior construction. It's what's called underlayment, found in tens of thousands of urban homes, apartments, and commercial properties coast to coast. From Main Street to your street, to upscale Park Avenue, this critical flooring material not only improves homes and businesses, but the quality of our everyday living. That's a win-win, including superb engineering for quieter sound-absorbent floors, making for greater employee satisfaction, increased work efficiencies and ergonomics, resulting in higher employee productivity and morale.
We engineered a product specifically for flooring underlayment. The product was made to abate sound. It was meant to be a moisture barrier without any additional film, and more than anything, it was made to be lightweight and easy to work with, and installers loved it. And it also made laminate floors sound like solid wood floors, which was the ultimate goal.
Becoming a leader in any field requires diligence, engineering know-how, perseverance, and a keen sense of the marketplace.
The floorMuffler was designed thinking about the do-it-yourselfers. We wanted to offer a product that was going to be easy to install. The floorMuffler is a high-performance underlayment that offers the best acoustical performance in the market. It is a moisture barrier, has great compression characteristics, making your flooring last longer. We have videos, we have instructions that show how easy the installation is. When you use floorMuffler in your next flooring installation, you're going to hear the difference.
Contractors and professional installers across America know them well. Even today's consumers ask for it by name. As a #1 brand, floorMuffler is so popular that if laid end to end, would stretch around the earth more than twice. That's 50,000 miles of floorMuffler.
At Diversified Industries, we work with many kinds of foam products. The floorMuffler is a polyolefin that was designed and engineered specifically for the flooring industry to be used as an underlayment product. Its proprietary blend of polypropylene and polyethylene are what give it its unbelievable performance characteristics.
It's very easy to cut, it's foam, it's lightweight, and it will get your room ready to install your flooring.
So Jeff, it is important for our viewers to know that over the past 20 years there's been a significant developments in the flooring industry.
You got that right. As a matter of fact, those developments have really changed the way we go to market. They've really forced us to innovate and continue to grow as a company to meet the demands of the flooring industry.
Yeah, like now there's many different types of floorings.
Yeah, the floorMuffler is no longer just the name of a product. The floorMuffler really represents a family of products, you know, and these products are used in all different flooring underlayment applications. The pink lip and the tape on our floors are significant of a foundation that we are a founder of called the Floors for the Cure Foundation.
Central to all Diversified Industries product line sales, including floorMuffler, is the philosophy of giving back, charitable contributions to those life-saving causes that need our help and need it most. Floors for the Cure Foundation is making that happen.
Floors for the Cure is a charitable foundation that was founded in 2004. It began when my wife developed breast cancer and was treated for it. After that experience, we decided it was time to give back to individuals and families that were going through similar situations and to donate to the research being done to help prevent families from having to go through these kinds of situations at all. While the foundation started with a focus on breast cancer research, it soon grew to provide funding to many different types of research organizations. To date, we've donated to over 15 different organizations. Your purchases allow us to continue our charitable contributions in hopes of finding a cure.
For additional information on the best performing, longest lasting underlayment floor products for your next building or restoration project, visit floormuffler.com. Or for additional information on this best-in-class company, manufacturers of floorMuffler and other premium products for automotive, aeronautics, home and business, go to diversifiedindustries.com.